Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your chess.com game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button that you see underneath the search box and then enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which, if you wish to delete your account, click on the settings button at the bottom section and then click on all settings. Now from the profile page, scroll all the way down and then click on manage account. From the manage account page, you will first need to confirm your identity by entering your password. So type in your account password first and then enter the captcha code that you see with it. After entering the code, click on confirm identity and now you will find the button to close your account. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. You can choose any reason that is suitable for you and you can also enter further information if you wish to do so. Then click on close my account and confirm your account deletion from the message that follows. And once you confirm your account deletion, your account will be set to be deleted. You will still have about a week time within which you can log back into your account if you wish to cancel your account deletion. After 1 week has passed, your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your game account on the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.